Hello everyone, I'm Amit, a computer science educator from India, and on behalf of spoken tutorial team of IIT Bombay, I would like to welcome you all to this wonderful course on a learning management system platform called Moodle. And I would like to assure you that after completing this course, you will feel yourself more confident, more upgraded, as you will be able to explore your creativity after doing this course. As per the technological, pedagogical content knowledge framework called the TPEC model, the future of teaching is always through ICT, and being an educator, we are the lighthouse of the society. We have to step forward to take this opportunity to make maximum out of it, to use our creativity, to upgrade our skills to the next level so that we can make remote learning things possible. We can make this anytime, anywhere learning possible through learning management systems. So as you all know that most of the government platforms are using learning management system for the dissemination of the content, and you'll be astonished to know that whole spoken tutorial project is also based on this particular platform called Moodle. So as an educator, it's a great chance, great opportunity for all of you that you may be able to learn this platform, how to host your e-content, how to host the assessment tools on that particular platform, along with how to control your virtual classroom thing from the learning management system, and also certify the participants. So all in all, it's about designing a course framework on Moodle, and I wish you all the best that you will be able to make maximum out of this course, and will be making a big difference in the education community in the time to come. Thank you. All the best.